So this morning we've woken up to this slight downpour at Tropical Hideaway. So our plans for the beach today are going to have to change slightly, which is fine. We'll see how we go. It might clear up later, but let's see. So we're studying our map and we're using the SeyVillas website, which is really useful. It's got a whole load of list of things to do. It also mentions all of the beaches, travel information, things to do, restaurants, sites, hiking. So we're having a flick through here trying to get some ideas of what might be good on a rainy day. We might go to one of the botanical gardens.
So it's been a rainy morning, but now it's all cleared up. Blue skies are coming, so we're now in the car and we're heading off on a bit of a road trip.
There's a spice garden which we've been trying to get to, just like a botanical garden, and they do spices and they've got like a restaurant there.
So I've just arrived at Jardin de Rue,
yeah.
the spice garden. There's a really, really steep drive all the way up. We thought we wouldn't make it.
Fall backwards, but we made it.
But now
it looks like
yeah, it looks amazing, doesn't it? Really tropical.
So there's the garden walk around here, flowers and spices and medicinal plants and tortoises. So I think we'll start there, and then we've got the rainforest trail over here.
Turtles!
What are they here?
I didn't see it was right here. Oh my word. Hello! Hello! You're all disguised in the mud.
So we're just walking along the circular route up this hill. I think there's a nice viewpoint up here. And we can hear there's a market party going on down there.
Not sure what fruit this is, but it's huge. Size of my hand.
So we're still exploring these gardens and we're now about to enter this rainforesty area. If you look behind, you see the biggest bamboo we've not seen that many, but it's the biggest one we've ever seen. So it goes from there all the way up there. Amazing. Must be very old.
So we've just come down to Surfers Restaurant to get some lunch, and it's set on this gorgeous beach.
Yeah, wow.
White sand, really shallow water.
So we've got our seat here at the surface. So on this beach here we found a poster by the Marine Conservation Society of the Seychelles about sea turtles. They have a lot of turtles here on these beaches that come to lay their eggs, it looks like. Just having a little look for the right spot to chill. Have a little dog. Hello. Look at the colour of the sand, it's literally white. So we've just come out. We were going to go down to Beauvalin to have a look at the beach, but I think it's probably not quite the weather to do that. We've just stopped at the mini mart. Amy's staying here because it's raining. Ben is about to go in. So I'm looking for potato or rice to have with our dinner, and maybe some water as well, because we're running out on that. So here are all the different types of meat they've got, all frozen. I'm looking for vegetables, which they've got some in here, and they've got quite a lot of good collections of butters, cheeses, everything like that, and cabbage down here. Tropical Hideaway. after a day out. So we've realised that we don't know how to clean a fish and gut it and do all of that fun stuff. So Derek, the owner, who used to be a fisherman, has kindly offered to clean it up for us.
So we're gonna go and see what Ben's up to. I think he might be cooking up a storm. Hello. What are you up to?
Yeah, we've got everything on the go now, so the fish is ready to go in.
Whoa, I haven't seen this yet.
On the fish.
The rain stopped, so we're gonna have a bit of dinner. I think Ben has just prepared the fish.
Here we go.
Brilliant.
Voila.
Wow, this looks lovely.
Local red snapper. And we've got broccoli and rice.
Lovely, thank you very much.
Yeah, and we sit here and enjoy the Seychelles evening.
So it's our last day here at Tropical Hideaway. Unfortunately, we've had a really, really good time.
It's been great having a car. I think it's highly recommended, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been really handy, hasn't it? Just to have the freedom to explore everywhere ourselves.
Yeah, pop in the car whenever you like. This week,
Yeah, been really good.
from R&R Car Rentals. So we're going to go drop that back off at the airport now. Bye bye Tropical Hideaway.
Yeah, we've had a great time and now we're just at the airport, checked in.
Departures back home. Unfortunately, time to say goodbye to the Seychelles. But we'll definitely be back again. Probably many times. So yeah, had a great time. And let's go check in.